The Zebra ZT411 Industrial Thermal Transfer Printer, ZT41142, T010000Z, represents a 2026 gold standard for high-volume label production, engineered to thrive in the most demanding manufacturing and logistics environments. Built on a rugged all-metal frame with a space-saving bifold door, this 4-inch workhorse delivers a blistering maximum print speed of 14 inches per second, 356 millimeters per second. The 203 dpi resolution ensures high contrast, durable barcodes and text, while the advanced thin film printhead utilizes E3 element energy equalizer technology for superior output quality. Managing the ZT411 is exceptionally intuitive thanks to its large 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen display, which features a modern icon-driven interface and color-coded status alerts that are easily visible from across the factory floor. Connectivity is a primary highlight, as the ZT411 comes standard with serial USB 2.0, 10100 Ethernet, and Bluetooth 4.1, M5 certified for seamless Apple integration, alongside dual USB host ports for direct peripheral connection. To ensure peak uptime, Zebra has integrated a side-loading supplies path with illuminated pathways, making media and ribbon changes fast and effortless even in low-light conditions. Powered by Zebra's LinkOS and Print DNA software suite, the ZT411 offers enterprise-grade security, remote management capabilities, and backward compatibility with legacy ZPL and EPL languages. With 512 megabytes of flash memory and 256 megabytes of SDRAM, this industrial printer is a future-proof investment designed to evolve with your operations' data tracking needs and high-throughput requirements.